All right, y'all, welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much. Look at here, check it out. I'm about to cook me some bacon up in my little COSORI air fryer, okay? All right, so look, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this thing out from the wall on this little tray. Girl, I love this tray. Purchased this tray. I'll tell y'all where I purchased it from, but let me tell you a little bit about this tray, girl. This here little nozzle thing right here where you gotta push down and bring it out. Girl, if you ain't too careful, you put your fingers too far up in there, honey, it will pinch the dickens out of you. Do you hear me? You'll be hollering for days. Look at that. Woo! I don't even want to do it. I'm telling you, if I hurt myself on this camera, you have to be very careful when you pull this thing in and out, okay? You don't want you to go buying this thing and you be like, I bought that. You told me to grab it. It pinched my skin. Anywho, so I have this thing already plugged up. This is the power button right there, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat this because before I do that, let me show you the bacon that I'm going to be cooking. Okay, here's my choice of bacon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half, okay? Because I only cook half a pack. I don't cook the whole pack, right? And we're going to do us some eggs up in here. All right, and I got me some grits back there, all right? So let me go ahead and let's preheat this thing real fast. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push preheat. And I'm going to let that preheat, okay? For 5 minutes. Now since it's done preheating, I'm going to snap this baby out like that there. I'm going to put it back over here on my silicone mat. And I say this here is to protect my stove. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this bacon in half. So now I'm going to add one of these little parchment papers to the COSORI air fryer here. These are the non-bleach kind. Just smash one of these out. Add it right on in the basket like that. This is just to protect the bottom of the air fryer from getting all greasy and oily and stuff. It minimizes your cleaning process, okay? So now since I have that in there, and mind you, whatever you do, because I had to learn the hard way, girl. Whenever you get one of these little COSORI air fryers, and you want to add your parchment paper in there, do not add this parchment paper before you preheat your thing. Girl, you add this suck up in there thinking you doing something, being all fancy. You add your paper in there and try and preheat this stuff, you gonna burn something up. This paper gonna fly to the top, girl. You be like, what's that burning? Yeah, I had to learn the hard way. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna add my bacon. Hold on, girl, let me cut it. Let me cut it in half, be right back. All right, I cut it in half, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my COSORI fryer here, okay? You know, sometimes you be trying to stay away from the pork, girl, but it's something about this bacon. You just cannot stay away from the bacon, baby. Okay, that should be enough. Yes, I'm not going to cook the whole half a pack of bacon. I'm going to just do 8 slices. There's just a few of us eating, so I'm not going to do the whole pack of bacon, okay? All right, now I'm going to add the bacon into the air fryer. So now, I push the power again, and I'm going with bacon. You see that little symbol of bacon? I'm going to push the bacon button, all right? Now it's set to 320 Fahrenheit, all right, and for 8 minutes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it on 320, but I'm going to up the minutes a little bit, okay? I'm going to go 10 minutes and maybe 12 minutes. Yeah. Hit it twice like that, and then you up the number. I'm going to go 12 minutes. Okay. I just want my bacon crispy, girl. That's all. All right. 12 minutes on that side, and then we'll see how well it comes out. Okay? All right. Let's go. Take it out. So how it's looking so far. That's how they looking so far, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and flip these puppies over. I'm going to flip them over. Bacon is so greasy, girl. So now that I have them flipped over, I'm going to put them back in for another few minutes. That way we can get both sides crispy. Okay? Hold on 1 second. Okay. Alright, so now since I have it in, I'm going to do this other side over here for 4 minutes. Alright. I'm going to hit that. Hit it again. Take this down in 4 minutes. Push start. Cook the other side in 4 minutes. So that way it can be crispy and good, baby. Okay, so this is how it looks after the bacon has been cooked on that side for 4 minutes. Okay, nice and done and crispy. Hold on, let me get some paper towel, girl. So now I'm gonna get some paper towel. Put it in here. I'm gonna sit them on this here paper towel so that grease from the bacon girl can drain, because ain't nobody got time for all that. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So while my bacon is draining, I'm gonna add some salt to this water. Add a pinch of salt, pink Himalayan salt to this water for my grits. Okay. I'm gonna add my grits. Just eyeball it, that's all. Turn it down. Move it over a little bit. It's girl to be a mess if you don't. My whisk. Never mind my whisk. I know it go to a blender, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna whisk. Alright. I'm gonna whisk these grits up real fast. Okay. Turn the stove back on low. Put the lid on. Let them cook on down. Okay. Let those cook down. Then I'm gonna do my eggs. Slide it to the back here. Come on. Put them on low. Alright. Turn that one on. I'm gonna get ready to do my eggs real fast. Okay, but it's not. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna add some of this avocado oil to this skillet. That's a little bit. Cook the eggs, that's all. I'm gonna crack a couple of these here real fast, okay? That's what chefs do. I'm going to go ahead and whisk these up.